Can we get a moment of silence for Unifi video and the Unifi in VR? All right, hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time here, please go down and click subscribe. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you very much. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Now, this video has been semi-difficult for me to record. I know some other consultants and YouTubers who have had to do multiple takes on this, so I'm going to try to keep this to the facts. And because the forum thread is, there's a lot of passionate people in there talking about this, but this is the end of life for Unifi video. Now, official support for Unifi video ends in January of 2021. Now, from the time Protect came out, we did see the writing on the wall. And in fact, when Protect came out and Unifi came out in a public forum post, and at the time the cameras had SD card slots, they told us they would never activate the SD card slots for edge recording, and they told us they were never going to be on-VIF compatible. At that point, I made the decision to move away from the product, and Protect had just been, released around that time. So we started migrating away and not recommending new installs. We were supporting installs that were out there. And if customers were already buying the gear, we were supporting them, helping them set that up. I personally overseeing the removal of the last Ubiquiti NVR that I manage. We have moved to Synology and Surveillance Station, and so you're going to see a whole video about that transition. Ubiquiti is offering an upgrade path to Unifi Protect, but Unifi Protect doesn't have the features that we're looking for professional installation. The Ubiquiti cameras do not have those either, so they might work fine for a home user. You've heard other people say that, may be great for a home user. Not going to work for a lot of professional installations. So we'll see that. Ubiquiti did send me a UNVR, the 4-disc unit, so you are going to see a video on that. We're going to take a look at that. But as far as a clear path for me and recommendations, if a company already has the gear, yes, we will support it. I do support customers that have Protect installations, but it will not be my first go-to for installing a new system. In fact, I'm working with a client right now in Australia, and we are debating back and forth. They had the Unifi application server, which is likely EOL as well, and we had already talked about that and upgrading that, to something different. But now this announcement came out, and we we're talking about, do we do Synology and do we pair it with Axis cameras? How do we do that? So that's a whole conversation we have to have, and a lot of people are going to have this conversation because the video.ui.com portal is also going to be shutting down. Now, I'm going to leave a link to the forum post down here in the comments, but they did say originally when I read it, and it could be updated now, but originally that the last 2 releases of Unifi Video are going to be beta. So take that for what it's worth. I really don't have much more to say on this besides if you are looking to move away from the platform, let me know. If you've got the platform and you need help, let me know. But I am super interested in your feedback about this move from Ubiquiti. This is not the first time we've seen them, kill products and things like that. So super interested to know what you have to say about that. So leave all of your comments, good, bad, or otherwise, down in the comments. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't give me a thumbs down because you're mad at Ubiquiti. I am not Ubiquiti. So if you just like that we're informing you about this, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Comment, share, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you need IT consulting, especially camera projects, migrating away, reach out at williehowe.com. We will take care of you. If you'd like to support the channel by using our affiliate links down below or sending a donation, those links are down below. The affiliate links don't change your price, but they do kick a couple bucks over the channel. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.